Hey guys, welcome to BluFire TV. My name is Blue and today we're having another paint session. Today's theme is berry white. If you would like to know how I created this look, then keep on watching. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell below to stay up to date with all of my latest content. And if you are already subscribed, welcome back. I appreciate your loyalty. But okay guys, let's get into this paint session. Okay, so y'all, I have to start off by saying how upset I was when I realized that I didn't get any before footage. I mean, y'all, I didn't get any pictures, I didn't get any videos, I didn't get a Snapchat, I ain't getting nothing. I was like, dang it. But yeah, anyway, moving on. So she started off at about a level 2 brown. We lifted her up to this blonde. I didn't bother toning her because I'm putting a lot of bright colors on there and it really wasn't going to make a difference. And I personally just feel like if you don't have to tone the hair, why take your hair through the extra step? All right, now let's get into this blending. We're going to be talking about how to blend two tones in the hair, how to melt those colors and to blend them to avoid getting that annoying line of demarcation. Now, I understand that we have a lot of tones and colors going all throughout her hair, but we're only specifically talking about two tones today because in each individual section of her hair, we are only applying two colors. As you can see, there's pink at her roots and then we have this lavender purple on the end, so it's only two colors. One of the ways that I like to melt my colors are first by, of course, applying your first color to your roots, and you want to bring that color down as far as you would like to. Now when you're applying your color, you want to make sure that you stroke your brush and you want to stroke it up and down. You want to stroke it in a way that sort of mimics what our heartbeat looks like on the monitor. I'll insert a picture to kind of show you guys what I'm talking about. You want it to look straggly, okay? And then when you put your second color in from the roots up, you want to also overlap that color using that same technique. Now I kind of sped through that in the last clip, so I apologize for that. But in this clip, I'll break that down to you a little bit more. So I'm just going to apply the color to the roots and I'll show you guys what I mean when it looks like to have it straggly and to have it in that up and down motion. And that way you avoid that line of demarcation, guys, because it's really not cute. You want the colors to truly fade into each other. So you see how the color is going up and down and it's like going into that blonde and it doesn't look good. You would think like, oh my gosh, she's jacking my hair up. But no, I am about to make you fierce, okay? So then you want to go in with the second color, and for this I actually didn't even use my brush. I just used the bottle. As you can see, I just poured the color directly onto the hair and I used my fingers to blend those colors together. And if you see, I start at the root and I bring my fingers down onto that pink at the bottom and then I go up and down to really bring those colors together. And that's how you melt the colors together and get that nice, beautiful, nice soft fade. The colors that I'm using are from one of my favorite color lines, Adore. You can go on to their website, creativeimagesystems.com, and there you can see their full wide range of all of their colors. Now you can't purchase off of their website, however, I will post some links below. That way you guys can actually purchase some colors offline. Oh, and by the way, I am not sponsored by Adore or Creative Images in any way whatsoever. I just really love their products. I've been using their products for, it has to be over 15 years now. I've been using their products since before I got my cosmetology license, and that was back in what? I went to school back in 2014 is when I got my cosmo license. I was using this back in high school, middle school, way before I got my license, you guys. So yeah, it's not good. I shouldn't be talking about that anyway, but I definitely don't recommend coloring your hair at home. I really recommend, guys, for you to go to a professional every time you want your hair colored, because a lot goes into the color or painting process. And if you truly don't understand, first of all, just hair in general, And if you really don't understand color theory, you can really mess your hair up, and then ultimately that's going to cost you a lot in the long run, because it's going to cost you more to get your hair corrected. I don't know, can you see?
Ooh, look at that color.
Right.
Ooh, look at that.
See, now that's the reaction that you want to have after you get your hair colored. You don't want to have a whole bunch of boops, noops, noobity boo boops, okay? Now, with that being said, don't get me wrong, okay? Every hair color service is different. No results are ever guaranteed. That's why I ask that my clients, you guys just always be honest in our consultation period, because our consultation is everything, okay? That's when everything starts. If our consultation begins with false information, the rest of the process will just be jacked up, okay? So as long as we remain honest, I will use my skills and my knowledge and everything that I know to get you to the best result that we possibly can. But at this point, I've been talking a bit too much, so I'm just gonna let you guys, oh my gosh. See, I was gonna shut up, but I can't shut up. How can you shut up when you see something that's gorgeous? Y'all, look at her hair after we rinsed her out. This is gorgeous. We like to create a relaxed environment here at BluFire Designs. Therefore, we offer up to 2 glasses of wine just to take the load off and just relax you a bit more. We know a lot of people are stressed out in the world today, and it's nothing like just being able to sit, relax, get pampered, and have a nice fresh glass of wine. But like I said, up to 2 glasses, because we don't want y'all getting too lit up in here, okay? So as you can see, we are all finished. I added some blonde pieces in the front to really cut up those colors and to really bring it out. That white just does everything for me. OMG, oh my gosh. But if you would like to see more pictures, definitely follow my Instagram at BluFire Designs. Like us on Facebook at BluFire Designs, and make sure you guys like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with all of my latest content. You can book your color consultation online at www.blufiredesigns.com. And you guys, just know that this color that you guys see right here, we have it full recorded and the video is on its way, so stay tuned. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.